Yes, good evening, good evening. Good evening. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, children? Can anyone put a message in the group that the live started? Kindly join. Put a message in the group that the live class already started. Join immediately. Put a message in the group that live class started. Join immediately. Om Shri Mahaganathipataye Namaha. Vakratunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvighnan Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Mahaganathipataye Namaha. Yes, good evening to all. And I think you are enjoying the holidays. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow is a holiday. And I kept a message in the group that you need to complete applications of trigonometry classwork. Okay, right. And we are left with 8 problems in trigonometric identities. 8 problems are left out. I'll explain those 8 problems, then we'll go ahead with the different problems in applications of trigonometry, which are different from NCERT problems, which are different from the problems in NCERT. Okay, children? So, if you say yes, I'll start the class. Can I start the class, children? Only 13 people are joined. I told to everyone to join. All the 36 to join I told, but I can see only 13 students here. Too bad. Okay, so that much interest is there towards studies to everyone in the class. Okay. Right. Question 1 for today's. X is equal to secant A plus sin A and y is equal to secant A minus sin A. Then we need to prove that 2 by x plus y whole square plus x minus y by 2 whole square is equal to 1. We need to prove this. Given x is equal to secant A plus sin A and y is equal to secant A minus sin A, then we have to prove that 2 by x plus y whole square plus x minus y by 2 whole square is 1. See here. You can observe x plus y and x minus y in the question, but we have only x and y values. So what we have to do is, we need to find out x plus y value and x minus y value, both. First, x plus y value, x minus y value. What is x plus y? Secant A plus sin A. And what is y? Plus secant A minus sin A. So if you see this, plus sin A minus sin A get cancelled. X plus y is equal to secant A plus secant A, 2 secant A. Secant A plus secant A is 2 secant A. Now, what is x minus y? Secant A plus sin A minus secant A minus sin A. Now simplify this. Secant A plus sin A, open the bracket, minus secant A plus sin A. Plus secant A minus secant A get cancelled, I get 2 sin A. So x plus y value I got 2 secant A and x minus y value I got 2 sin A. Now, what is 2 by x plus y? What is 2 by x plus y? See here, 2 by x plus y whole square is asking, na? 2 by x plus y whole square. So 2 by, what is x plus y? 2 secant A. So these two get cancelled, whole square. 1 by secant A whole square, which is nothing but cos square A. Children, see here, x plus y we got 2 secant A. And he is asking about 2 by x plus y whole square. That means 2 by 2 secant A whole square. 2 get cancelled. 1 by secant A is nothing but cos A. So cos square A. So 2 by x plus y whole square is cos square A. Now, x minus y by 2 whole square. X minus y by 2 whole square. That is 2 sin A by 2 whole square. 2 get cancelled, we get sin square A. We get sin square A. Okay, children. Now, you observe, I will say that the problem is done. I will say that the problem is done. What else is required, children? We got 2 by x plus y whole square is as cos square A and x minus y by 2 whole square as sin square A. Okay. So what else is done? What we have to prove? ఇక్కడతో ప్రాబ్లం అయిపోయిందన్న sin square A plus cos square A 1. What is the meaning of that one, Jeremy? What is the meaning of that one? Just we need to add both. 2 by x plus y whole square plus x minus y by 2 whole square, which is cos square A plus sin square A. And we know that cos square A plus sin square A is 1. Cos square A plus sin square A is 1. And the answer we need to prove it is 1. So the problem is done. Okay. Did you like this, children? Did you like this? So if you want, you can take the screenshot. I am going to rub the board. Erase the answer on the board. And I am going ahead with the next question. Right. Next question. Good. So what is the next question? M is equal to cos theta minus sin theta. N is equal to cos theta plus sin theta. And we need to prove that root n by root n plus root n by root m is equal to 2 by root over 1 minus tan square theta. This is the question. M is given cos theta minus sin theta and N is given cos theta plus sin theta, and we need to prove that root n by root n plus root n by root m is equal to 2 by root over 1 minus tan square theta. Okay. Now, any idea from your side, children? Any idea? And only 20 students are joined. 16 what they are doing I don't know. Okay, leave it. Concentrate on the problems. This is the given problem. What to do now? What to do now? Anyone? Can we do squaring on both sides? Can we do it squaring on both sides? Or you can take LCM. Simply you take this one root m by root n plus root n by root m. Take LCM. Root m into root n is LCM. And what I will get here? M and here n. So what is the angle m plus n by root mn? M plus n by root mn. Okay. Now, what is m plus n? What is m plus n? This one plus this one. If we add them, cos theta minus sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta. So minus sin theta get cancelled plus sin theta. M plus n is 2 cos theta. M plus n is 2 cos theta. What is mn? Here mn is there na? Mn means m into n. M is in the form of a minus b and n is in the form of a plus b. So mn means cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta, which is cos square theta minus sin square theta. This is mn value. Then root mn will be root over cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now we got m plus n value and we got root mn value. So this will be 2 cos theta by root over cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay na? So for LHS we got this is the answer. If by simplifying the LHS part, we got 2 cos theta by root over cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now if you simplify RHS and if you get the same answer, then LHS is equal to RHS. Okay na? Now the question arises, how to simplify RHS? Any idea? How to simplify RHS? Children, any idea from your side? RHS is 2 by root over 1 minus tan square theta. How to simplify that one? How to simplify that one? Can anyone say? Can anyone say it? How to simplify 2 by root over 1 minus tan square theta? How to do it? Take sine as 1 minus tan square here. Who said this? How can you say that sine as 1 minus tan square? Okay, good, Sanvi. Good. Write tan square theta as sin square theta minus cos square theta. That's it. This one. So for time being, I am taking out all this. And I am taking out this one also. So what we got this answer? 2 cos theta by root over cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, now this is LHS answer. This is LHS. Now go ahead with RHS. What is RHS? 2 by root over 1 minus. Instead of tan square theta, I will write it as sin square theta by cos square theta. 2 by root over, if I take LCM, cos square theta, what I will get here? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. So 2 by root over cos square theta minus sin square theta by root over cos square theta. Root a by b, I can write it as root a by root b. And we know root over cos square theta is nothing but cos theta. And this cos theta will go to numerator. 2 by a by b, 2 by something, 2 by fraction. Then it will be reversed and this cos theta go to numerator. Then the answer becomes 2 cos theta by root over cos square theta minus sin square theta. So whatever we got in LHS, we got the same in RHS. Understand, children? Whatever we got in LHS, we got the same in RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Root over root m by root n plus root n by root m is equal to. Sir, taking sin square theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta. Taking sin square theta is not equal to 1 minus tan square theta, I think. We cannot take it now. Maybe we can take it, but it is not there in your class. Ishan. Okay. We'll go ahead with the next question. Everyone is putting a message there, sir, I joined. But I can see only 20 students constantly. And everyone put a missing. I was there in the class like that. Already 20 minutes over. Class started, 2 problems are done. And still I am getting that I am there in the class. But if I see only 20 students are there in the class. Charmi joined. Only 20 students. Next question. See here. If cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta, prove that cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. This is the question. If cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta, then prove that cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. Children, how to do it? Any clue from your side? Any clue from your side, children? ఎవరో చక్కగా పండగంతా జరుపుకున్నారా, ఎంజాయ్ చేశారా చక్కగా నిన్నంతా? క్లాస్ వర్క్స్ కంప్లీట్ అయినాయా? ఆల్ ద క్లాస్ వర్క్స్ ఆర్ కంప్లీటెడ్ ఆర్ నాట్? అప్లికేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ. Okay, Sanvi told cos theta minus sin theta by sin theta, na? Okay. Akanksha is there or not in the class? I'm not getting any answer from Akanksha. Pavitra, not Pavitra. Who is that girl? Neha Devi. Completed, sir. Okay, good. Neha Devi is not there in the class. Akanksha, Neha Devi. Then Chaitanya, Chanakya Varma, I didn't see her. Jashwant. Neha Devi, yes. Good. Shanvi, right. Very good, Nan. Now, see the problem on the board. Cos theta minus sin theta is root 2 sin theta. Then prove that cos theta plus sin theta is root 2 cos theta. How to do it? Any idea? Any idea from your side, children? ఏం ఐడియా రావట్లేదా? సరే, I'll do one thing. I'll take cos theta minus sin theta whole square is equal to root 2 sin theta whole square. I'll do it squaring on both sides. Okay? Now, this is in the form of a minus b whole square. Then a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to, this one is 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta. Okay, children? Now, I gave you one clue. Can you tell me what else to do? After this, what to do? Don't tell me that internet is not good. You are not interested, that's all. After this, what to do? Any 1 minus 2 cos theta sin theta. Oh, అది నేను అనుకున్నా. ఇదే అంటారు అనుకున్నా. కాస్ స్క్వేర్ తీటా ప్లస్ సైన్ స్క్వేర్ తీటా అని 1 అనేస్తారు మీరు, అంతేనా? ఓకే, కానీ నేను చూడండి ఏం చేస్తున్నాను. జస్ట్ సీ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్. కాస్ స్క్వేర్ తీటా ప్లస్ సైన్ స్క్వేర్ తీటా మైనస్ 2 సైన్ స్క్వేర్ తీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2 cos theta sin theta. అంటే ఏం చేశాను? Bringing this one to LHS and sending this one to RHS. That is what I have done. Now, what is left over in LHS? And simplify that now. Cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta. Then it becomes cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 2 cos theta sin theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 2 cos theta sin theta. Okay, children? Now you tell me what to do after this step. What we have to do after this step? We got cos square theta minus sin square theta as 2 cos theta sin theta. After this, what to do? No idea? Yes, very good, Sandy. A plus b into a minus b. Cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 2 cos theta sin theta. A square minus b square na, a plus b into a minus b. Now, if you see here, we know cos theta minus sin theta is root 2 sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta as root 2 sin theta. Substitute that value. Cos theta plus sin theta into, in this place I will write this one, is equal to 2 cos theta sin theta. ఇప్పుడు నేనంటాను ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈజ్ డన్. ప్రాబ్లం అయిపోయింది, ఇంకొక స్టెప్పే మిగిలింది అంటాను. ఎవరన్నా చెప్పగలరా? Can you say yes? Sir, yes sir, you said is right. What you said is right. Problem done. Only one step left. అలా ఎవరనగలరు? Who is there? I need to find out cos theta plus sin theta value. But I got cos theta plus sin theta into root 2 sin theta is equal to 2 cos theta sin theta. Namrata, yes sir? Okay, చెప్పు. ఏం చేయాలి Namrata? What we have to do? Bring root 2 sin theta to left. Left కాదు right. Okay, send root 2 sin theta to that side. Or you can cancel it here, na? Sin theta get cancelled. So what is remaining? Cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 2 cos theta by root 2. Cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 2 cos theta by root 2. కానీ మనకి ఏం కావాలి? root 2 cos theta రావాలి. కానీ ఆన్సర్ రాలేదు అట్లా రాలేదే ఆన్సరు. root 2 cos theta రాలేదు, మనకి 2 cos theta by root 2 వచ్చింది. రైటేనా ఇది? Is this right? Rationalize. Okay, good. Boddepalli answers. Rationalize. Very good. So into root 2 by root 2. So 2 root 2 cos theta by 2 root 2 into root 2. 2 get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. So cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. Understand children? Is the sum is beautiful or not? As beautiful as Boddepalli. అంతే కదా? As beautiful as Boddepalli this problem. Is that right, Boddepalli? Very good, very good. So can I go ahead to the next problem? Very nice. Very nice. Next one. Yes. Next question. Yes. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to root 2 tan theta. And we have to prove that secant theta plus tan theta is equal to root 2 secant theta. Root 2 secant theta. Here మీరు చేయగలరా ఇది? Can you do this? Sir, we can subtract. What? What you will subtract, right? Jista? Again squaring on both sides. Very good, very good. Do it fast. Again squaring on both sides. Take the first equation and square it on both sides. Do squaring on both sides. Secant square theta plus tan square theta minus 2 secant theta tan theta is equal to 2 tan square theta. Now as it is, bring 2 tan square theta this side and this one to that side. Next, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 2 secant theta tan theta. Now this one a plus b, a minus b, a plus b into a minus b 2 secant theta tan theta. Now, secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is root 2 tan theta is equal to 2 secant theta tan theta. Now I think the problem is done, children. Is the problem done? After this, what to do? After this, what to do, children? Sin by cos. Cancel tan theta on both sides. Cancel tan theta on both sides. Very good. Then secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 2 secant theta by root 2. 2 secant theta by root 2. Now rationalize. Now rationalize the denominator. If you rationalize the denominator, you will get the answer secant theta plus tan theta as root 2 secant theta. Root 2 answer is root 2 secant theta. Understand, children? Okay. Sanvi, kindly note down the names of the children those who are absent today. I shall send a message to their parents whether their parents knows it or not that I am taking the classes and they are not coming since long back. Because since long back I am observing only 20-21 students. And they will blame me that if R.S. Agarwal questions are there in the question paper, then the parents blame me that you are not teaching R.S. Agarwal and you are giving the questions from R.S. Agarwal. How it will be? How it will be? Nah. So kindly note down the names who are absent. Okay, next question. So these are very good questions, right? Next one. Yes. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by P. Then find sin theta is equal to P square minus 1 by P square plus 1. Prove that matter. Not find. Very, very good question. Beautiful question. Secant theta plus tan theta. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. And secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by P. We need to find out the sin theta value. Squaring on both sides. Why? Why? I think we have two equations here. Is that right, children? We have two equations here. One is secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. The other one is secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by P. By using these two equations, can we find out secant theta or tan theta? Is that right? Sampath join now. He joined now, Sampath. Is that right, Sampath? Sampath, you have joined now. I told you clearly, Saturday make yourself free, everyone. I am not asking to join every day, Saturday, Sunday, 2 days. Because this year I want very good result in the school in mathematics. Sampath, you need to answer me. Are you there in the class or not, Sampath? Sampath? You joined now only, na? You have joined now only. Right. See children. Secant theta plus tan theta given P. Secant theta minus tan theta given as 1 by P. As 1 by P. Now, if I add these two equations, secant theta, 2 secant theta, and plus tan theta minus tan theta get cancelled, P plus 1 by P. 2 secant theta is equal to, if I take LCM, I will get P square plus 1 by P. Then secant theta is equal to P square plus 1 by 2P. If secant theta is P square plus 1 by 2P, cos theta is equal to 2P by P square plus 1. 2P by P square plus 1. Did you understand, children? Did you understand this? We have two equations, secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P, secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by P. Just I am asking to add the equations both. Add them. Secant theta plus secant theta, 2 secant theta. Tan theta minus tan theta get cancelled. P plus 1 by P. And if you take LCM, 2 secant theta is equal to P square plus 1 by P. Then secant theta is equal to P square plus 1 by 2P. If secant theta is P square plus 1 by 2P, then cos theta is reverse. P is 2P by P square plus 1. Now children, we have cos theta value. We have cos theta value. Can we find out sin theta? So sin theta is equal to, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, na? From first identity. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Substitute the value there. 1 minus 2P by P square plus 1 whole square. 1 minus 4P square by P square plus 1 whole square. Take LCM, P square plus 1 whole square, and here also you will get P square plus 1 whole square minus 4P square. Minus 4P square. Sin square theta is P square plus 1 whole square by whole square minus 4P square by P square plus 1. Children, we have an identity that a plus b whole square minus 4ab, we can write it as a minus b whole square. This one you need to understand first. A plus b whole square minus 4ab is a minus b whole square. So see here, a plus b whole square minus 4ab. You can write here into 1. 4 into p square into 1. A plus b whole square minus 4ab, we can write it as a minus b whole square by a plus b whole square, which is sin square theta. Which is sin square theta. Sin square theta. Now, sin theta is equal to root over p square minus 1 whole square by p square plus 1 whole square. So square roots get cancelled. What will be remaining with? P square minus 1 by p square plus 1 the result. Is that okay, children? A very good model. This is very good model. Kindly take a screenshot for this. It's a very good model. Now, if this is the same question, if I gave you a question like this, cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to x, then can we find out cos theta? Can we find out cos theta? That is your homework. I'll write the question over here. Let me see how many of you will do this question. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to x. Then find cos theta. Find the cos theta value. This is your question. Let me see how many of you are having that what we call zeal to do this sum. ఎవరు ట్రై చేస్తారో చూస్తాను హోల్ హార్టెడ్గా. cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to x. And I want to find out, you need to find out cos theta value. Okay, children? Note down that question. And I am taking out this question, this answer. Right. I'm going ahead with the next question. So can I take out this question? Have you noted down this? Okay. Okay. Now, see this question. Prove that sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta is equal to 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. Beautiful question. Sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta is equal to 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. Any idea from your side? Any idea, children? How to do this? No idea. Sin square theta, sin cube theta whole square plus cos cube theta whole square cheyalane hadevi. So what? Okay. After that, okay, కొంతవరకు అన్న వచ్చావు నేహాదేవి. గుడ్. అట్లీస్ట్ ట్రై చేసావు. వెరీ గుడ్. స్క్వేరింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్. ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బి స్క్వేర్ వస్తుంది నీకు, అంతేనా? నువ్వు అనుకుంటుంది ఇదేనా నేహాదేవి? We need to write this one is a square plus b square. And after the a square plus b square, okay, let me explain this question. We have a formula that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This formula is there na? ఈ ఫార్ములా గుర్తొచ్చిందా మీకు? When we learn this one, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Polynomials topic in class 9th. Why you people are not responding? Akanksha is there in the class? Akanksha, Ishan Paida, Hamsini, very good. Hunisha? Hunisha is there in the class? No. What about Boddepalli? Manoj is also not there in the class. Sanvi? Unisha. Are you sleeping till now? Is my internet connection is not proper? Am I audible, Sanvi? Sanvi, internet connection bound anadi లేదా ఇంత ప్రాబ్లం ఉందా? So it is taking time to reach the voice to reach you. Is that right? No problem. Good. Okay. Now, see this. A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b is equal to a cube plus b cube. This is what I am going to use it now. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, that one. This formula I am going to use now. So what I will do? I will consider sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta and I will write this one as sin square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube. A cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube. Since the problem is converted in the form of a cube plus b cube, I can write that one as a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, where a is sin square theta, b is cos square theta. Okay, children? So a plus b whole cube means sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube minus 3a b into a plus b. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Now, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this becomes 1 cube minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta into 1. Because this is also 1. Now when we simplify this one, 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. Understand, children? A good question. So this is interconnection between algebra and trigonometry. So if we don't know this formula, algebraic formula, we cannot solve this problem. It is interrelation. Okay na? Right. I am going ahead with the next question. Right. So very important question. This one is, if sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, prove that cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta is also equal to 1. How to do this? Sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Prove that cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta is also 1. Is it not properly visible? I'll write it again here. If sin theta plus sin square theta is 1, then prove that cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta is also 1. How to do this? Any idea? Just observe the question and I think you will get the idea. Simple question only, this one. It's a simple. Very simple. So we can send sin square to the other side. Yes, very good. Charmi, very good. Sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, Charmi, next. Next, what to do? Then sin theta is equal to cos square theta, because 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Now consider this one, cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta. Cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta, you write it as cos square theta whole square. Now we know cos square theta is sin theta. Substitute. So in this place I will write sin theta, and in this place also I will write sin theta whole square. So sin theta plus sin square theta. So after simplifying this, we got this one, and we know this one is nothing but 1. So that means cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta is also 1. It is also 1. Understand, children? Yes. Next question. Next question. Yeah. X is equal to r sin alpha cos beta. Y is equal to sin alpha sin beta. Z is equal to r, here r cos alpha, and you have to prove that this is you have to prove. X is given r sin alpha cos beta. Y is given r sin alpha sin beta. Z is given r cos alpha. And we have to prove that x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. How to do this? How to do? Any idea? So first do x square, y square, z square. then add. X square is r square sin square alpha cos square beta. R square sin square alpha sin square beta. R square cos square alpha. So x square, y square, z square done. Now add. Add first two. Add these two first. These two. X square plus y square. R square sin square alpha cos square beta plus R square sin square alpha sin square beta. So I think we can take sin square r square sin square alpha common in both. R square sin square alpha common. Then here left over cos square beta, there sin square beta. So x square plus y square is equal to r square sin square alpha into 1. This is only. Na? So x square plus y square value we got as sin square alpha. Then what to do? Then what to do? Then what to do, children? Then we have z square as r square cos square alpha. So what we have to do? What we have to do? Add z square. Yes, add z square. So x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square sin square alpha plus r square cos square alpha. You take r square common. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, which is r square into 1 r square. R square into 1 is r square. So x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. Is this question nice, children? Is it nice or not? Yes. R square into So take the screenshot for this question. Right. So children, with this I will conclude this trigonometric identity topic. I will explain all the problems in trigonometric identities, all the exercise problems. So whenever you want to see, you can see these videos. This is the part 5 video, means 5 hours. The total topic took 5 hours. Okay. So whenever you want, you can see the videos again and again. Is that right, children? So tomorrow morning sharp 10 o'clock I am going to start a new topic, applications of trigonometry, R.S. Agarwal questions. Means I want to deal different questions which are not there in our NCERT textbook. Different models from NCERT. I want to deal those questions and I will explain that tomorrow's class. Applications of trigonometry, which is also a topic in 11th standard. Applications of trigonometry will continue in 11th standard. Trigonometric identities Same, continue in the 11th standard. So you have to be thorough with that. Okay. So again we meet tomorrow sharply at 10 a.m. So don't miss out. Kindly send the names and send the message to the parents. So if they are not joining, I don't know why. My job is to inform the parents that I have to do since they are not coming. Okay. Okay. Dhanyavad. We'll meet tomorrow at 10 a.m. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Take the screenshot, everyone. Bye. Take the screenshot, Nana. This question. So actually this is NCERT board question. Okay. Send me the names, Nana Charmi. I think this is the 4th week now I am taking, na? This is the 4th week I am taking the classes. And one major topic was done and they are not serious. That is the problem. Okay, Nana, bye.